Family, it's AjiseGraphik here. I welcome us to another session of tutorial right here on my YouTube channel. So if you are new, you know what to do. Just smash the subscribe button now, turn on the notification bell, and start sharing this video to your friends. Leave a comment in the comment section, after the video or during the video. Okay, so we're going to be learning how to create a glass morphism effect just like this. Yes, using a secret app. I'm going to be walking us through the process on how everything was done. So right about now, let's just go to the secret app to know how it's being done. Then we come back to applying it on our design. Okay, so I believe your guess was right. So we are here in the secret app, and the name of the app is Photoroom. So Photoroom helps you to create the morphism effect in such a way that you can apply it on any of your design. And I want you to understand that morphism works, glass morphism works even with this trick I'm going to be showing you. You can apply it on any background. So let's just get started. So the first thing to do is to import the background you are using, and don't forget that except if you are using a white you are blurring a white background, right? That is when you can actually use it on any other designs, on any other background. Okay, so let's get started. When we get back to Pixellab, I will show us what to do. So I'm just going to tap on this, then import the background, right? So let's wait for it till it load. Okay, so the first thing to do is go to your blur. Just let's wait for it. So just tap on blur. So you wait for it till it loads. Okay, then tap on clothing. Okay, so just go to blur. Okay, so I want you to understand that the blur works perfectly with one of the blurring effects, which is Gaussian blur. So just tap on Gaussian blur, then increase the Gaussian blur strength, increase it to about 40 to 50. So let's just work with the blur strength of 47, right? So after doing that, you can so after doing that, that's basically all what you want to do, right? So just tap on export, that's this arrow over here, then tap on this save to gallery, then save it to gallery. Okay, so we are done. So let's go to Pixellab now. So we are here again in Pixellab, and I'm just going to delete this. I'm just going to tap on this and delete it. So the first thing I'll do is I'm just going to double tap this. Alright, so I'm going to import the background only first. Okay, then I can decide to make it a square size. Okay, so then just stretch it, and just stretch it, then come to my relative position, centralized vertical horizontal. Then I'll import the blurred background, right? So this is it. So I'm just going to tap on square, then just do this. So I'm going to keep it here. Okay, so then you can add your text and whatsoever you want. Let's change the color to this, so let's just change the color to this and keep it here. So now I know you might ask, okay, what if we want to, I don't have any font here, so I'm just going to make it of paper scenery. So what if I don't have, what if I want to use this on, what if I want to use this as probably a shape on any design? So let me explain what I mean. For example, you are working on probably you want to do something like this. You just finished creating probably a social media design, then you want to do this, so that you add your your icons, right? Now this is what you do after working on the shape, right? Just select this and leave it here, then tap on this, then go to your texture, and make this okay, we might, let's see. Okay, so I rotated it so that I'll be able to get this properly. Sorry. So let's see if this is going to work. Let's see, it might. Okay, so we have issue with this. So now what you are meant to do is, after doing this, now what you basically need to do is check mark this, then copy this out, then just hide this. So now this is a shape, so you want to change this to an image. Do you understand? So that by the time you import, by the time you texturize it, it's going to give you that perfect feel. So now instead of probably saving or doing it, just copy this out, or you can just import any other shape, check mark it, then hide it. Do you get? Come back here, just tap on this icon here, then tap on this, click on merge and merge it. So after merging, go back to your texture, tap on texture, then come back to your blur, and let's do this again. Okay, so it's become, you can now stretch it if it works better. Can you see this? Do you get what I just did? So let's do it again. So it's a simple stuff. Okay, let me copy this out. I believe we understand from where I merged. So just copy this out, right? And let me delete the texture. So now just come here, import the go to your texture and just tap on import, then tap on your, and just select this, make it in such a way that it is accumulating the shape, that shape, right? So you can just do this. Okay, so you can see, then you can now add, for example, this is your text. Let's do this. Okay, add subscribe. So make sure you subscribe now if you are font done that. So normally I'm not meant to use this font, but let's just go with that. So you want to use this, or let's keep it down here or to the front. So you can see, for example, you use a color, a white color. Do you get? Then and this is basically it. So can you see how this, so the trick to doing this is that you must use the background that you are making use of. Do you understand? Make use of the background, except if you are only working, for example, we deleted this and this, right? Except if you want to just work on this, but at least you should have, so that it shows properly that it is a morphism effect, right? So this trick I showed you can work on any background, but just make sure that whatever you are doing, it is the background you blurred, and that's what you are making use of. Except if you are working on a white, for example, a white background, a kind of white background that you blurred and imported, that way it will give you what you want. I believe you get. Thank you for staying to the end. Don't forget, smash subscribe button, share, and drop a comment if you learned a lot. Thank you. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye for now. God bless you.